Welcome to the future of AI. Forget everything you think you know about artificial intelligence. Because GPT-5 has arrived, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Imagine an AI that doesn't just respond to text, but understands images, hears your voice, watches live video, and reacts in real time. This is a new era where AI blends all these senses seamlessly, making conversations more natural, intuitive, and powerful than ever before. Today, we're diving deep into the mind-blowing features of GPT-5, features you probably haven't heard about anywhere else. From its ability to read your mood, to building complex software on demand, to becoming a creative partner that's always by your side. Stay tuned because what you're about to discover will change how you think about AI forever. What makes GPT-5 a game changer? You've seen AI models that chat, some that analyze images, and others that transcribe voice. But what if all of those capabilities lived in one AI that could process all your inputs, text, images, voice, and live video, simultaneously? That's exactly what GPT-5 does. At its core, GPT-5 is a master of multisensory fusion. It's like having a super smart assistant who can listen to you, watch what you're doing, see the pictures you send, and understand the full context without ever needing to switch apps or devices. For example, say you're trying to fix your bike while on a video call with GPT-5. It doesn't just hear your questions. It actually watches the bike, notices the part you're struggling with, and gives you step-by-step instructions in real time. But it doesn't stop there. GPT-5 can detect the emotional tone in your voice or the facial expressions it sees on video, adjusting its responses with empathy and humor. Feeling frustrated? GPT-5 knows, and it'll cheer you up. Excited? It matches your energy and rides the wave with you. No other AI before has been able to create this kind of fully immersive, adaptive experience. This means the future of AI isn't just smart. It's human-like, responsive, and truly collaborative. Memory like you've never seen before. One of GPT-5's standout features is its incredible memory. And I don't mean just remembering what you said 5 minutes ago. GPT-5 comes with a massive context window, allowing it to keep track of over 200,000 words at once. That's like giving it the ability to read and recall entire novels, research papers, or code bases without losing track. But here's the real magic. GPT-5 uses something called context compression. It doesn't just dump every word into memory. It actively prioritizes and summarizes information to keep what matters most fresh, so it never gets overwhelmed. Think of it like an expert note-taker who filters out noise and focuses on the core details you'll need later. This also enables GPT-5's long-term project mode. Whether you're co-writing a novel across weeks, managing a multi-layered research project, or planning a complex event, GPT-5 remembers your goals, preferences, and previous decisions. You can pick up right where you left off, even days later. Imagine having an AI assistant that keeps your whole project in mind, nudges you with reminders, and adapts its support based on how the work evolves, without you having to re-explain everything each time. Dual brain magic, fast and deep thinking in one AI. GPT-5 isn't a one-trick pony. It's got two powerful brains working behind the scenes, the main brain and the thinking brain. The main brain handles rapid responses, making sure you get quick, helpful answers to everyday questions or simple tasks. This keeps conversations snappy and efficient. But when things get complicated, like solving a tough math problem, debugging tricky code, or analyzing complex data, GPT-5 switches to its thinking brain. This part takes more time to reason deeply, pulling together information and logic to give you the most accurate, thoughtful answers possible. What's brilliant is the dynamic routing system. GPT-5 automatically senses when it needs to switch gears without you even noticing. If you start with a quick question but it turns into a multi-step problem, GPT-5 ramps up its processing power on the fly to match the challenge. This two-brain system isn't just about speed. It's also about efficiency. By using the right brain for the right job, GPT-5 saves energy and computing resources, which means faster, cheaper, and greener AI. Personalized AI that gets you. GPT-5 takes personalization to a whole new level. It doesn't just remember your preferences. It actively senses your mood, energy, and even frustration through your voice and text patterns. This is thanks to its adaptive empathy mode. If you're feeling tired or stressed, GPT-5 might respond with a calm, soothing tone or offer motivational encouragement. If you're excited and energetic, it'll match your vibe with enthusiasm and a faster pace. It can even crack jokes or add light humor if that fits your style, making the interaction feel less robotic and more like chatting with a friend. On top of this, GPT-5 anticipates your needs. For example, it can prepare your daily briefings by scanning your emails and calendar automatically, reminding you of meetings, deadlines, or news relevant to your work, all without you asking. What's more, OpenAI has put privacy front and center. You decide exactly what GPT-5 remembers, for how long, and what it forgets. This way, you stay in control of your data while enjoying a personalized AI that truly understands you. Next-level coding assistant. For developers, GPT-5 is a total game changer. Its code architect mode can build complex multi-part software systems from just a few simple instructions. Unlike previous models that generate short snippets, GPT-5 can coordinate multiple AI bots working in tandem, one handling front-end UI, another managing back-end logic, and yet another writing tests, all collaborating to build robust apps quickly. It also offers real-time debugging during live video calls or screen shares. Imagine coding alongside GPT-5 while it spots errors as you type, explains the issues, and guides you through fixes instantly. One of the most impressive features is auto-documentation with teaching. As GPT-5 writes your code, it simultaneously generates clear, easy-to-understand documentation and mini-tutorials. This helps developers learn as they build and makes onboarding new team members a breeze. Top dev platforms are already integrating these features, making GPT-5 a powerful co-pilot for programmers, boosting productivity and reducing bugs faster than ever before. Your creative partner in multimedia. GPT-5 isn't just a tech whiz, it's a creative powerhouse. Content creators, educators, and artists can leverage GPT-5's ability to weave text, images, voice narration, and video clips into seamless, interactive projects. The dynamic storyboarding feature lets you craft and evolve your story in real time. Change a line of dialogue, and GPT-5 instantly updates the storyboard, suggesting new visuals, soundtracks, or video transitions that fit the mood perfectly. It can compose background music, generate natural-sounding voiceovers, and even suggest video clips or edits, all within one platform, eliminating the hassle of juggling multiple apps. Whether you're making YouTube videos, online courses, or immersive digital experiences, GPT-5 accelerates your workflow and unlocks new creative possibilities. Plus, educators can use GPT-5 to create interactive quizzes and educational games on the fly, tailored to each student's learning style and progress. Deep integrations, AI that lives in your favorite apps. GPT-5 seamlessly connects with your everyday tools. It syncs automatically with Gmail, Google Calendar, and Contacts, pulling in relevant info without you having to repeat yourself. Soon, integrations will expand to popular CRMs, project management apps, and messaging platforms, creating a truly unified AI assistant across your entire digital life. One standout feature is cross-platform conversation continuity. Start a chat on your phone, switch to desktop, and pick up right where you left off, with full voice and video history intact. Plus, advanced organizational tools like color-coded chats, smart tags, and AI-generated task reminders keep your projects neat and on track, so you can focus on what matters. It's like having an invisible AI assistant working behind the scenes to smooth out your day. Safety and ethics, built to protect and serve. With great power comes great responsibility. OpenAI has woven its most advanced safety measures into GPT-5. Context-aware filters adjust dynamically based on how complex and long your conversations get, stopping harmful or unsafe content before it reaches you. The new active misuse detection watches for suspicious requests or manipulative patterns, protecting users from scams, misinformation, or dangerous content. You can even ask GPT-5 to generate safety reports that explain how it reached an answer and highlight potential risks, promoting transparency and trust. Behind the scenes, human moderators continuously review flagged content, and OpenAI collaborates with ethics boards worldwide to ensure GPT-5 aligns with societal values. Remember, while GPT-5 is powerful, it's not perfect. OpenAI encourages users to stay informed about AI's limits and to use it responsibly. Democratizing AI, affordable and green. GPT-5's smaller versions, Mini and Nano, bring advanced AI within reach for startups, educators, and individual creators on tight budgets. They don't just save money. They're also designed for energy efficiency, reducing carbon footprints, and helping AI development become more sustainable. Flexible API pricing means innovators across the globe can experiment and build without worrying about massive costs. GPT-5's adaptive compute scaling matches computing power to task complexity, so you only pay for what you use, making AI more accessible than ever. It's a step towards democratizing AI, empowering everyone to harness its power, no matter their resources. The dawn of human-AI collaboration. GPT-5 isn't just a tool you use, it's a partner you collaborate with. Imagine a world where multiple GPT-5 agents team up like a startup crew, tackling big challenges from climate science to art installations. The AI can even adopt personalities, mimicking historical figures, fictional characters, or custom personas, making learning and entertainment more immersive. We're entering an era of co-creation ecosystems, where humans and AI grow ideas together, each amplifying the other's strengths. But remember, human creativity and judgment remain the heart of this revolution. AI just makes the journey faster, smarter, and more fun. Unexpected real-world wins. Here's where GPT-5 really shines, in real life. Early testers found GPT-5 helping therapists offer better remote counseling by picking up on subtle emotional cues during video sessions. It's been used for instant multi-language translations during live video calls, breaking down language barriers like never before. Scientists are running complex data analyses faster, unlocking new insights in minutes instead of days. Content creators report skyrocketing productivity, creating polished videos and podcasts without hours of editing. These are just glimpses of what GPT-5 can do when put in the hands of users pushing its limits. Getting started and unlocking GPT-5's potential. Ready to dive in? Access GPT-5 through your preferred platform or subscription tier. Customize your AI's personality and memory settings to suit your style. Developers can explore powerful APIs and integrations to embed GPT-5 into their apps and workflows. Don't be afraid to experiment. The more you explore, the more you unlock. And remember, sharing your discoveries helps the entire community grow stronger. Your AI journey starts now. GPT-5 blends speed, smarts, and empathy into a single AI experience unlike anything before. It's not just a tool. It's a revolution changing how we work, create, and connect. The future is here, and it's collaborative, creative, and full of possibility. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and shape the future with GPT-5. Community call to action. What blew your mind about GPT-5? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments. We want to hear your story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives and tutorials. Together, we'll explore this amazing AI frontier, and who knows what we'll discover next.